On the home page of eBuilder, to the left, you will see recent pages and quick adds. You may have to scroll down to see them. You can change the order of the boxes by clicking the ellipse in the right corner of the box, which allows you to move up and down the boxes. Under recent pages, you will see the most recent pages you've navigated to. This allows you to quickly navigate between projects. Under Quick Adds, there is a list of the most frequently used processes you run in eBuilder. Simply click on a process from the list, select a project to run the process on, complete and submit the form. If the process you want to run is not on the list, you will scroll to the bottom of the box and click View More. Now you can select the project that you want to run the process on, and now select from all the processes in eBuilder to run on your selected project. Complete and submit the form.